I'm really sorry to hear that you have not been able to see any good model yet of marriage, practical model in your life. So, become a good role model yourself. Why do you have to see good in others to be good yourself? Be good on your own. Learn the sunnah, learn the method, learn the right way of leading a happy life, and make sure that you become a model for people. The Prophet ﷺ, his teachings are so lovely and beautiful and marvelous in this regard. Be the role model that you want to see in others. You know something? You can learn something from everyone. If you learn from some people what to do and from some what not to do, you don't have to repeat the mistakes people have made or others have made in being unhappy, or what has made them unhappy. To be happy, be the good yourself, be the change yourself. And may Allah make your marriages, for all our children, blessed marriages in the world and the hereafter.